here, one more little adjustment, and we're good to go. Oh, does Daddy need to lower the seat? Do I need to lower the seat, buddy? Here, do you want me to lower the seat for you? Okay, here we go. Let me lower the seat here.
Cameron, what are you going to do?
I'm going to find the neighbors.
You're going to find the neighbors?
No, ride with them.
You're going to ride with them?
Uh-huh, with my bike.
Wow.
Yeah, that might be as far as it goes.
It kind of looks like a motorcycle, but it kind of looks like a bike.
It kind of looks like a motorcycle, but it kind of looks like a bike?
And it shows the box.
It looks like a racing bike to me. I see racing stripes on there.
Racing stripes.
Yeah.
I saw it kind of, it's a big boy bike.
Okay, buddy. That's...
Okay,
try
Kendall,
that.
watch
Okay,
out.
Okay, watch out, sweetheart. Watch out. Okay, buddy. There you go. Push, buddy, push. There you go. Ready?
I think the tire in the back, something sounds odd. Something doesn't sound quite right
Daddy,
with it.
it's kind of not working.
Okay, here.
It's kind of not working, he
Keep
says.
pushing, keep pushing.
This bug is kind of got brakes.
Well, I think you're on a hill. Let's go up here
Yeah.
where it's flat.
Here you go. Okay. Keep pushing, buddy. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Okay, here, keep pushing. There you go.
There you go. Push forward.
Keep
Remember, if
pushing.
you go backwards, it will hit the brakes.
Yeah. You ready? Okay, here. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There you go.
There you go. You got to push hard.
Yeah, that one's...
Daddy, I'm trying to stop.
There you go.
There you go. Keep pushing through it.
Daddy, I think this one doesn't have any things on it, so can I can.
Let me see here, buddy. Yeah. It's going. There you go.
Daddy,
Yeah, let me see if I can lower it down some more.
so I can ride it. I want my seat down,
Okay.
so I can ride
Alright,
it.
let me see. I think it's about as far as it's going to go down. So, hold on, let me see.
That's not going down.
It's not going down? Okay, watch out, buddy. Watch out. That's about it, buddy. Okay. Oh, you know what? That's as low as it's going to go, Cameron. You still may be a little bit small for us. You might have to put this away for a little bit till you grow a little bit more. Here, why don't you try it again?
Hey, Daddy, I think the tire's flat.
Tire's flat. Let me
Try it out. Try it out again.
see. Yeah, that's really good.
Maybe if you go to the end of the road and come down. It's a little bit downhill.
Let's go to the top of the road.
I think that bike might be a little too heavy for him.
I think so.
Daddy,
Yes.
maybe I have to get the daddy bike out. And I can ride this bike by myself, but it kind of needs stuff.
Okay, there you go.
Now you can come down the hill. It'll be a little bit easier. Here's sister. What are you doing? You went and got your baby? Oh, you love the baby. Oh, let's watch your brother. Here he comes. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Good job.